up the spaces in my chest. Like spare coins poised on the tip of my tongue, I make a wish and hold